Hey guys, Charles Peterson here. I had to shoot this quick video for a new customer of mine that wanted to know how to upload FileZilla onto their domain name using a third-party file transfer protocol like FileZilla onto their domain using third-party hosting account. Well, here it is. This is a very simple video. Now, if you purchase ZipSender from me, chances are, no matter which site it is, you're going to wind up on a page that looks something like this. Well, I'm going to thank you for purchasing the ZipSender. And right here at the bottom of this figure here, you're just going to say download to, it's right at download ZipSender here. Now, if you're on Chrome or Mozilla, which I highly recommend, you just right click and save link as. If you're on Windows Internet Explorer, it'll say save target as. So I'm just going to right click this here and save it to place. You save it to a place that you know you can get to it. In my case, I'm just going to put it right on my desktop as a WinRAR zip file, and there it is. Okay. Now, this is what it looks like. It's right here. I'm going to move it to the top of the screen, and as you can see, what I want to do is extract this to itself. So I'm just going to extract to ZipSender. It's going to create another folder where it's going to be uncompressed. So here we go. ZipSender. Now the actual file that we want is a folder within a folder inside this ZipSender file. It's two ZipSender folders. So as you can see, right inside there's another folder called ZipSender. And you go inside again, you get to see what the actual file looks like, which is a index PHP script. So to click on it just to get a brief look, that's what it actually looks like, and that's what you're going for to put on the server. And you're going to put it on the server folder inside of a folder on the server inside of a folder, which in this case the folder is called ZipSender. Now you can call this folder whatever you want. So now to go back to the beginning, as you can see, we have to extract that folder out of here. So to do that and not just put it on the desktop, we can't put the same thing on the desktop, so we're going to rename this file ZipSender 2. If you try to do it otherwise, it just won't work. So now you double click inside and you pull this out, because other than that it'll say copy of ZipSender or say something else. It'll just be confusing. Now you can close that out and actually just drag that to the trash, because we're no longer needing that. This is the file that we want. Now keep in mind, you can name this anything that you want. You can name it Bob, Carol, Ted, and Alice. You can name it your girlfriend's name, your brother's name, your son's name, your wife's name. It does not matter. Whatever you name this file and you drag it onto your domain from your third-party hosting account, that is where you're going to find your ZipSender file. So in this case, just to keep things simple, I'm going to rename it Mailer. Oops, right click, rename Mailer. M-A-I-L-E-R. Now once I've done that, wherever I drag this folder, right, it contains the PHP script inside, which is the index PHP script file. So if I drag it on to say, mydomain.com, if I drag it to the root, it's going to become a subdomain, so it'll be mydomain.com/mailer. And that's where my mailing program will reside. So you can name it, you can send it to any domain that you have, once you have it registered. And if you're a little vague with that, I have other tutorials where you can actually go through all of this. And you could actually, if you're not used to this stuff, you can actually go to bestmlmguide.com and take my 30-day boot camp, and actually covers all this and quite a lot of other stuff, and it's free, so don't wait for the price to go down. But anyway, as you can see, all you have to do is just upload this, and in my case I use FileZilla, which is a free FTP client, which you can actually get the link on the download page if you purchased it from me, or you can actually just Google it. It's very simple. FileZilla is everywhere. FileZilla.net or .com, it doesn't matter, it's everywhere. So now basically it's as simple as that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my FileZilla program, and it's taking a little bit of time, I guess, because the screen capture program is on, but it's not going to take too much time. At least I hope it's not. I should have did it on the other computer, but here we go. Come on, here we go. Now basically I already have this configured. If you're new to this, basically you once you sign up for FileZilla and you access it and you download it to your window to your desktop. Basically, they're going to send you a lot of information in the email. So you're going to have whatever your hosting account number is, your username, and your password. Mine is already configured, so I'm just going to set it up and go right into it, because I'm just going to try to show you how to set it, to drag it on. And it's really simple, and I can send it to any domain I want, so I'm just going to use another domain just to make it simple, just for purposes of demonstration. So once you do it, now this side here is where your computer is. And if I pull this down a little bit, you can see the mailer program is right there, and you can see it's also right here, because this is just my computer files broken up. This side is where my third-party hosting accounts are. So now I'm just going to actually go to public HTML and pick a domain and put it right on the root of that domain. Okay. In this case, just to make it simple, I'm going to use bestleadscraper.com. And don't try this later on, because believe me, it will be removed by then. But just for this video, now all I have to do, just to refresh this a little bit, is find this program, right, which is over here on the left side. And as you can see, it's Mailer, and I just have to drag it right on with the whole folder and everything, right on the bestleadscraper.com. And with you, it'll be whatever your name of your it'll be your domain.com, and it'll be /mailer. Now remember, you can name that mailer file anything you want. You can name it ZipSender, you can name it Bob Carroll Analysis again, name it whatever you want. But as long as you can find it, and it contains the PHP script inside. Once you do it, that's it. It's done. So now when I close this out and I open up a file and I go to a new window, basically I open up this file, and and basically all I have to do is type in bestleadscraper.com /mailer, and that should bring me up to the ZipSender where it's at. And again, it's taking a little bit of time, because I'm running a bunch of different programs, but it should be ready shortly. And there it is. Okay, this is what it looks like. And normally you would just choose a file, from your desktop. In this case, just choose a file and find out wherever your leads are. Let me see. I'll just go here and I go to leads, and then I pick maybe a list that's already there. And as you can see, I just load it, and there you have it. And you basically just fill this out. You can use any email that you want, and then you start sending it out. And again, I don't want to go too much into that, because you can get that on the other tutorials, and I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible. Anyway, I hope this video has been value to you. This is Charles Peterson signing off, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.